You see, the position that my party, Communist Party of India Marxist, has been taking is that on bilateral problems, third-party intervention to negotiate or settle is uncalled for. Bilateral issues are to be bilaterally discussed and sorted out, not taking recourse to military solutions. This has been our time-tested approach. Government of India also used to maintain the position that internationalizing our domestic problems or our problem with our neighbors is unacceptable. We would deal with the problem with our neighbors in a mutually agreeable manner through negotiation. You see, de-escalation is taking place at different levels. So, Government of India will have to explain as to how the President of United States of America has made the announcement first. A day before US President made this announcement, we all followed the stand taken by the Vice President of United States of America that we don't want to meddle with these things. We want these issues to be settled between the countries. That was what US Vice President stated a day ahead. Then comes this statement from the President of USA. The President of USA is not behaving as the President of USA. He behaves as though he is the President of the world, which is unacceptable. Anyway, now it is for Government of India to explain as to how this kind of a situation evolved. I remember our Foreign Secretary has stated that it was the Director General of Military Operations of Pakistan who called the Director General of Military Operation India and communicated that they are willing for a ceasefire. This was accepted. This is how Government of India spokesperson, Foreign Secretary explained it. There is a discrepancy between his statement and the claim made by the President of United States of America. We expect Government of India would clarify as to how this confusion about the role of different countries in this ceasefire, that will be clarified, we hope.